Hey everybody, welcome back. And breaking the chain of smoke detector videos, got a fan video for you. And I totally forgot, or I actually didn't even realize, but in the last video that I uploaded, the Sears smoke detector, was actually my 1000th video. And I did know that milestone was coming up, but I guess I didn't realize that I had made that many videos to reach it, but I was planning on doing something special for that, but I didn't really think of anything, and just figure it was something to just mention in this video that I am up to 1,000 videos now, and I think that is pretty neat. So to all my faithful supporters, I am very gracious and very thankful. Um, and so here I have a fan to celebrate, I guess. So this is a Vornado Model 280B, 10-inch, I believe, uh, desk fan, question mark. This is a kind of a different model. I don't think I've ever seen one like this before. Um, it's very similar to this one, the 280SS. It has the same prefix, the 280, which leads me to believe it's like the same series. But this one is like, I guess, a quote-unquote higher-end model. Uh, Obviously, this one has the variable speed. Um, this one is just 3-speed, and I'll show you that speed control in a minute. But this one is basically, I think this one is, well, obviously it's a cheaper model if it doesn't have the variable speed, but design-wise, like physically, it is also cheaper. Of course, you can see automatically it's a different color scheme. That one's gray, and this one is sort of like a tan, although it has faded a little bit for some reason. Um, that's probably what it's supposed to be like on the base there, but it's like faded to this sort of brownish, tannish, but it's all supposed to be like that beige. Um, yeah, interesting. It has the same exact style grill with the spirals, or the swirls. I actually think it's the exact same molding, same exact size and everything. It's just a different color. Um, and then this outer portion is similar, but if I turn it to the side here, just not, hopefully it doesn't fall off. Oh no, it is the same. Okay, so the side vents here, the back side here are the same. So this whole back section is the same molding as well. Very interesting. It has the same exact Vornado logo on the front. Just backtracking there to the front again. But here on the back, here if I turn it around, instead of having the knob on the right side of the base here like these typically do, like this one, and even this one here, the 180 Compact, which has the variable speed control right there on the base. This one has the speed control on the back of the motor housing. That's kind of interesting. And like I said, it is just a 3-speed knob, but it is the exact same style of knob as the 180 Compact here, you can see. Exact same with that little dimple there. This is, I think this is slightly later because this one has a different style knob, like a regular, I don't know, smaller, older style knob, I guess you could call it. This one also has a very interesting motor housing design. I don't think I've ever seen that before, because this is the one that I've seen most. That one has it, the 180 Compact has it. It's like rounded with these horizontal vents. This one has no vents on the back itself, but then on the bottom there it actually has vertical vents. So interesting. It also has these little wing tips at the edge, or little, like, I don't know, fins. Kind of a cool design. And the base, you might notice there's no means to tilt the fan head like there is on this one, where you can infinitely adjust, in theory. Oh, there we go. This one's, it's really hard to do it for some reason, but you can adjust it. And this one, You can adjust it, but you can't tilt it infinitely like that. The way that the base is molded, it has these two surfaces. So this surface, you can tilt it that way so it's pointed lower, or you can tilt it back so it's pointed higher. Yeah, kind of interesting. So that's why I say this is probably a cheaper, more bottom-of-the-line model. That and the 3-speed. Although that being said, it does have a full-size motor in there, so I think it's the same motor as this one. And same exact blades, the 3-bladed blade set. So, I'm going to put this one down, the 280SS. And now, I'm going to put this one into the middle. And I'm going to hook this one up to the kilowatt meter. Now, this one is from, I think it was the early 90s. Let me find the plug for it. This is this one's plug. Right here. Definitely an older style plug, but molded. And it is, yeah, made in China. But let me get this all hooked up and then we'll go for a test. Alright, let's start the fan up on high. And I forgot to mention, 2 of the spokes are broken. They're not missing, but they're just broken at the end there. I'll probably glue them at some point, but that's what that rattling is from. The fan itself is actually dead silent, but we're drawing 1.41 amps. 119 watts. 0.6, almost 0.7 power factor. Moving a great deal of air, although these Vornados usually do. Oops, that was off. Try that again. Turn it down to medium. Great difference in the speeds, which I really like. Try to push that into place so it's not rattling. So as you can hear, super quiet and super powerful. And we are drawing 0.72 amps. Basically exactly 60 watts. And 0.66 power factor. And just make sure I'm turning this the right direction. Yes. Low speed, which is very slow, like on the variable speed models. So even though this is a 3-speed, I'm very happy with it. And we are drawing, whoops, where's my light? 4.44 amps, 36.2 watts, 0.65 power factor. Oh, 0.65, 0.66. So basically the same. Yeah, dead silent. Still moving a pretty good breeze. So now I'll do a spin down from low. I gave the front bearing some oil, but I didn't take the motor out. I didn't give the back bearing any oil, so spin down time could probably be improved. But see if I can get the good startup sound, or see if I can't get a good recording of the startup sound. So here we go, from 0 to high. That's pretty good. I'll tilt it up for you as well so you can see that. So it's almost like the Westinghouse flipper fan to an extent, except instead of flipping it, that way, just flip it this way. Very interesting. I like it. Alright. Spin it down from high. Okay. And then the last thing I think I forgot to do was show the bottom here, which has the information. Vornado Air Circulation Systems Incorporated Model 280B. 120 volt AC, 1.6 amps. That's pretty much what it tested at. Serial number. Made in USA. Alright. There's a better view of those vents on the bottom of the motor. And turn it back over. So that just about does it for this video. That is the Vornado Model 280B 10-inch desk fan. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video.